Hi, this is Manthan from scrapingdog.com, and in this short tutorial I will show you how you can scrape Google Ads using our Google Search API. So let's get back to our dashboard, and so I will just pick a random keyword or a query. Let's say hotels in Barcelona. And if I want the ads from the scraping API or the Google Search API, then I have to keep advanced search parameter as true. Otherwise, you will not get the ads data. If I use the advanced search as false, then I will get data like this. Like I will get the local results. I will get people also ask. Then I will get the organic search results like the title, displayed link, snippet, link, and the rank. But if I keep it as true, then I will get the complete ads data from the API. And the API is very fast. You will get the response around within around 1 to 1.5 seconds. So when I uh, kept the advanced parameter as true, I got the ads data, and we got ads from booking.com, you know. Then we have hotels.com on the second position. Then we have expedia.com on third position. And this is how you will get the ads from that particular search page from Google. Now, what are the applications of scraping Google ads? Like you can use the data for competitor analysis, for SEO purposes, or for understanding market trends. I have written an article on that too, which is done using Python. I am attaching the link for this article below this video. And if you have any questions regarding this API or any other API, do reach out to us at info@scraping.com. Thank you very much.